Sean again from Clinical Mobility. Last month we had a few videos come out on CBRS and we had some questions. So wanted to give you some quick responses to some of the common questions we got. First one, does CBRS replace Wi-Fi? The short answer is not a chance. Even the equipment manufacturers and the players in the CBRS industry, nobody's positioning as a replacement to Wi-Fi. So that's first off. So the equipment manufacturers agree. Secondly, while you'll have some people focus on different areas of problem that CBRS solves, but largely they're solving different problems. Indoor cellular coverage from the major operators is a challenge in many, many buildings. It's elusive how to solve it in any kind of an economical way for all building types. CBRS is positioned to really help us solve coverage from the major carrier. In addition to that, it provides a competitive use case for private access to company network. Just like Wi-Fi, it is a bridge to the company's network. CBRS can do that as well. When you do CBRS with a private network, that is in addition to the major wireless carriers. So it doesn't have to be deployed with that. It is an option, and it is a very viable option for some organizations. So there you go. Wi-Fi is not going to get replaced with CBRS.